Mike at INFINITI of Mobile. This is Tune Up Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the importance of maintaining correct pressure in your tires. For every 10 degrees in temperature change, you gain or lose 1 pound of pressure in your tires. So the importance, especially living down here, when we have 30, 40 degree variations in our temperature in one day, can mean the difference in your TPMS light being on first thing in the morning and then going off in the middle of the day. And that will usually indicate a tire that's on the borderline of being to the factory specified pressure. Having the correct pressure in your tires also maintains tire wear, and it makes sure that you get the full wear out of your tires. And also, you can put nitrogen as a replacement for regular air in your tires, and that basically eliminates the difference in variation. So if you replace your air with nitrogen and you have it at 35 psi, it will stay at that level through the temperature change. So that's a good way to offset, for some people who don't have the time to regularly check their tire pressure.